wait before you skip this, because I'm about to dive into the fascinating science behind the gelatin trick. You see, researchers have been studying the effects of gelatin on our digestive system, and it's pretty interesting. Essentially, the gelatin trick works by utilizing the unique properties of gelatin to support the health of our gut lining. As people have started incorporating the gelatin trick into their daily routine, they've noticed a significant improvement in their overall digestive wellness. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for a while now, swears by its ability to help her wake up feeling refreshed and without any bloating. The gelatin trick is all about creating a gentle, soothing coating on the inside of our gut, which helps to reduce inflammation and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. By doing the gelatin trick consistently, you're giving your body the tools it needs to heal and thrive. The gelatin trick is a simple yet powerful daily ritual that can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. To learn more about how to start using the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description below, and be sure to read the pinned comment for some valuable tips to get you started. Head to the link now and discover the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself.